Let's talk about a topic called label Muslims. The label Muslims superficially convince themselves as Muslims and moments, a very immaculate term, often misused for a particular community. They have monopolized these labels for themselves without knowing anything about it. Label doesn't become prominent if the content is fake. This is what happened with the current Muslim community. The term Muslims and Mu'min occurs in the book Quran for those minds that are peaceful, secure and sound irrespective of their cultural or ideological background. The label Muslim preposterously cast themselves in the model of Muslims and Mu'mins, a very important term of the book Quran, without knowing the depth connotation of those words. Whereas all the negative terms like kafir, mushrik, fajr, fasik, shaitan, iblis, jahannami are reserved for non-believers. The playing of such thought process in the mind is the biggest hindrance for them to understand the message of the Quran, because it creates an illusion of superiority complex in them, a hidden enemy of learning and becoming humble.